Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and I am with the Changing Life and Destiny team. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a spatial account. This is the platform that we use for the Metaverse, both the Changing Life and Destiny conference Metaverse, as well as the clinics that we work with. Your first step in order to do this, and don't stress, it's not as complicated as I think people think when they hear Metaverse. It's just like creating an account for any other type of software or platform. The website that you'll want to go to is Spatial, Spatial.io. You can also Google Spatial, and you'll see this kind of very exciting page of activities. And you can go ahead and click login. I'm going to use an email. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Then I'm going to create a password, and you have to have a minimum of 8 characters. So a email verification will get sent to that email address. So I have to go ahead, go verify that email, and there it is. Then I'm going to hit confirm my account. Once the account is confirmed, my email has now been verified. I can go back to Spatial and I can say I verified my email and I'm in. You can see that you have up here, you can create a username. I'll just go ahead and do change life destiny. Keep in mind that if you have any spaces, it doesn't like spaces. So you need to put an underscore and then you can't end it with an underscore. So I'll just put 1. Then you can decide, do you want to use your username as a display name? I'll go ahead and do that. And then you accept these terms and conditions and hit next. Now up to you if you want to stay in the loop. I'm going to hit maybe later. And now we are here. Spatial has a ton of metaverse programs, places to go. You're, of course, welcome to go explore. You want to create your own avatar. There's 2 ways you can do it. The first is once you get into a space, and the other is to come over here to where there's a letter for whatever your username is and hit this edit button on top of your photo. And you'll see all these kinds of things you can update if you like, but I'm going to go ahead and hit edit on my photo, and it's going to take me to where I can create an avatar. Here is what I've sort of been assigned for when I enter my home, which is where you can customize your avatar. So it's up to you if you want to play around with what they have. You can change skin tone, do all kinds of things. But what I recommend to get one that looks a lot like you is to go ahead and create your Ready Player Me avatar. This is another sort of platform that people use to create their avatars for games that they play. You could either take a photo, which will take one on your computer, or you could pick a file. I'll go ahead and Roxy headshots saved. And I'll search for Roxy and I'll go ahead and upload this one and I'll accept that because it looks like me. And then it's loading your avatar. It might take a couple of seconds to get it together. And there I am. You have some options in terms of clothing and pants and shoes and anything really that you feel like. So make it, as much like you as you would like. My hair is not that short, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick a different hairstyle. And there's a lot of fun options here, but I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. Match what I got going on right now, which is like a bun. I'm okay with the skin tone and hair color, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. There's a lot more fun things you can do. Then it's just gonna say, create your account to save your avatar and use it going forward. So I'm gonna use the same email address that I used in the beginning. Hit send. You can also continue without signing up. It just might not register for longer term. So there I am. I think I look pretty cool. I'm gonna hit save. Now this is just kind of they call it a home, but it's just a place where you can come and hang out and learn how to move around and do everything in Spatial. So you could see on this bottom left, it's telling me, let's get you moving. You can use the W, S, D keys. I prefer to use the arrows. So I'm using the up arrow. That's the arrow to the right, kind of changes the view, and down arrow moves you. Left arrow changes the view. Up to you. I just recommend getting in, playing with it. You'll kind of figure out what works best for you. Shift is running. The space bar is a jump. So you can jump, and then shift and forward is running very fast. And so you can kind of continue through these steps over here. That's the space bar that I talked to you, double jump. And then click and drag the arrow keys to rotate the camera. You can also do it with the left and the right arrows on the bottom of the keyboard. Click the ground to teleport, so you can click wherever you want to walk to, and it'll go there instead of having to use the keys. And then these are fun. So 1, thumbs up. 2, hello. 3, little dance move. 4, another little dance move. And 5, an even better dance move. Those are fun ways to interact with other people. I am now a professional at Spatial, and that's great. Now that I'm back on my profile, you can see that my avatar is now uploaded. You know, if you want to get fun and publish spaces, you can learn how to do that. But this is where you need to get in terms of creating an account and setting up your avatar. Down the line, as you visit spaces and you enjoy them, you can heart them and save them to your account. I hope that was helpful for everyone. Please go through the process. If you run into any issues, do not hesitate to reach out. If you know me, you have my contact information, and we're excited to see you in the metaverse.